All right, just kind of a short video, hopefully to inspire people to prepare, calm before the storm, so to speak. It's November 1st, 2020. A couple of days from choosing one or two sides of the same coin. At any rate, one thing to keep in mind is emergency medicine, emergency preparedness, first aid in general. I know a lot of people kind of neglect those things until they need them. I've worked for many years as for about 20 some odd years as a kind of a career bouncer, doorman, security issue, whatever you want to call it. And I took a first American Red Cross first responder course, which was like, I think it was like 2 months long. I think we met twice a week or something like that, or once a week. But anyways, it was a very intensive and intense course, and we had workbook that we went front to back with, and the team of, I think it was 4 to 5 instructors, really put us through some scenarios that stick with me today. So I highly recommend you get some first aid training, at least just basic CPR and how to deal with a cut, and bandaging, tourniquets, that sort of thing, at least at a basic level. Something is better than nothing. And here, one thing that we tend to neglect is cuts and lacerations. So I got this cool little Suture Kit Practice Kit, so that I could practice how to suture, or give stitches here. And in this kit, it comes with your tools. You have your forceps. You got your tweezers. You got scissors. So there's 2 types of forceps here, 2 types of tweezers, and your scissors here. So it's kind of nice here. It was really inexpensive on Amazon. I think it was like $30 to $35. It also comes with some practice sutures, or actually real sutures that you can practice with. Polyester, silk, and another monofilament. And they're different sizes and widths. Different sizes, I should say, and that's for the severity of the wound. These are non-absorbable, which means they're only for topical wounds. For deep wounds, like in this example here, you'd have to kind of try to put the 2 layers below the epidermis here and sew them together. Otherwise, you could get a gap, and that will cause infection, and then it'll be a problem. You'd have to get absorbable suture material. And these suture kits come with the monofilament, or the string that you need, and there's your suture needle already attached, so you don't have to thread anything. And then you get this practice piece, which is kind of this really nice, cool, fleshy feeling synthetic material. You can practice on like a pig's foot from the grocery store. Pig's skin texture and whatnot is very similar to humans, even though it's a little thicker, but it closely approximates it. So that's a good way to practice this. And this kit also comes with kind of instruction kits, or excuse me, an instruction manual, and different types of stitches. And this is just a simple interrupted stitch that I did here, which is the first one on here, and they display different types. So again, I just want to do a quick video on this. I also want to share with you also kind of the inspiration really is through the doomandbloom.com website by Dr. Joseph Alton and nurse practitioner Amy Alton. And this is a very thick survival medicine handbook. Wow, I mean, something is better than nothing. And this is if you're in a situation where there is no hospitals or doctors or any medical services around. So highly recommend you visit that site and get some stuff. And then this is Dr. Alton's Antibiotics and Infectious Diseases Manual, or book as well. So they also sell Suture Kits. It comes with everything you need, your tools, a tray for the tools, your covering materials to create your sterile field around the wound, and it's all wrapped up and it's kind of almost pretty much ready to go. You probably have to sterilize some things if you've already opened it, but it also comes with some sutures as well as gloves, sterile gloves. So that's one kit that they have. I got this kit on Amazon so that I could practice, because I was having a hard time finding a whole pig's foot, and I don't like going out to the stores nowadays anyways, but until all this freaking lockdown crap is done. Anyhow, this is what I was able to get. I'm kind of working on this. I'm not going to demonstrate anything because I'm not quite ready to yet, but I will. Definitely go to doomandbloom.com. They've got basic instructions how to do it. Of course, you can find that stuff on that, YouTube as well. But go ahead and invest in a Suture Kit. Get yourself prepared, because we don't know how this is going to end, how long this is going to last, whatever is going to happen that they are projecting is going to happen. Anyways, it's November 1st, 2020. I hope everybody is well and safe. Thanks for your support, and hope to see you on the other side. P.S. As long as we're talking about emergency medicine and emergency first aid, I highly recommend this video by Panteo Productions, Make Ready Doc Spears Combat Lifesaver. This DVD is really intense. It's very thorough, and I highly recommend you check this out. Check out Panteo Productions. If you don't want to get the DVD, they have online streaming videos. You can just sign up and watch all these videos, as well as how-to shooting videos, rifle, carbine, combat shooting, that sort of thing, with some of the top shooters and operators. So again, get prepared, especially when it comes to first aid and emergency medicine.